Randall Brown News Channel broadcast 2026-2030. Thatching services, construction and maintenance repairs 2026-30. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel today.
Ja, dat is hier niet als mijn dik. Geel tootsie, één klas dit verlaten. Jullie kan zien. Baie prachtig. Jullie kan zien. Fijn kopjes. Baie fijn. Verlaten. Dat is gewoon wees hoe leuk hè. Wat hij nog niet prachtig hè. Ja? Hoeveel meer? Zo. Subscribe. Bij Superior Titsers, Titsmasters, Randall Repairs, allemaal die dingen. Zoete ossen die volleybos. Op graddekken. Koen.
Randall Brown Thatching Services specialises in all aspects of construction and maintenance repairs, from new thatch roof installations to complete rethatching projects.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction, maintenance, repairs and installation. For more information, you can find us on WhatsApp and Facebook.
And now a word from our sponsors. Randall Brown Thatching Services is proud to launch a spectacular 15% off to all clients.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction and maintenance repairs. Superior Thatch Masters is proud to launch a spectacular 15% off.
We will keep thatching for the rest of the day.
This roof needs to be finished soon.
These reeds are the best we could find.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction and maintenance repairs from 2026 to 2030. Discounts apply for 10 or 20%. Get your QR code for more information. WhatsApp today.